Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are ready for this one. Last session for the week. Let's bring it home. Jeff, how you feeling there, brother?
I'm doing good. I'm well rested. I'm sure you feel the same.
Yeah, chill. We've been a long week. I think we needed it, but yeah. Chad, we're gonna get what's in, see what is here for us today. Honestly, as I said, I don't think we are going to get much. We've had a very, very expansive week. We have a little bit of news coming out at 4 o'clock, so we'll see what happens then. But going to be an interesting one, if I'm honest with you. Otherwise, yeah, we're just going to take it as we can, see what the markets give us, if they give us anything. We are going into a long weekend, so you know, really, if there isn't anything on the cards, I'm literally then probably going to call the stream early. It's a long weekend for us here. We had basically our chances, and again, no reason to give trades back unnecessarily because it's Friday, we have to take a trade. There's honestly no need for that. So we're going to see what happens.
It's a want, not a need.
Yeah. Again, remember guys, trading is a thing of you should trade when it's there, not because you have to. So I don't need to trade. Well, not like today. But yeah, we're gonna see what happens. So I think, Chow, without further ado, let's get the session started. Let's get into the fundamental side of it, and then we can start looking at the charts. So when we start looking here, let's just drop that music down a little bit. When we start looking at the charts, again, basically everything covered off. We basically got consumer sentiment coming out at 4 o'clock, so we'll watch out for that. And then Lagarde speaks tonight for the euro. But again, you're a little bit of a degen on a long weekend if you're still trading at 7:30 on a Friday. Our European family, if you guys are out there, I mean, that might be important for you guys. Maybe if you're a swing trader and you're holding some position over the weekend. But anyone else, I think you should have long gone, been out. Your withdrawals for the week should be placed and call it a day. But a little bit of an in-look. Actually, I want to see, what do we go into next week? Next week, Monday, again, nothing too crazy. Tuesday, we got retail sales. Wednesday is a bank holiday in the US. So interesting one, guys, because keep in mind, so Monday we are not in office. So Monday we're not trading. Tuesday is a bit of a small one. And Wednesday being a bank holiday. So we got CPI for the pound. So maybe we'll look at something there for the pound. But everything else, pretty much bank holiday. So maybe probably won't have a New York session then, and then I'm out. I leave Pretoria, so I'm out from Thursday. So Chris and Jeff will do this, but then again, Chris is very, very busy with the new office, so we might even see maybe next week there might not even be from Wednesday. There might not even be a New York stream. We just have to see about that one, but we'll try and make a plan for you guys. Unemployment on Thursday. And then Friday, again, you have PMI. So, interesting one. So, we've got a little bit still next week to look forward to. But again, just consumer sentiment coming up now at 4 o'clock. So, we go to the DXY. Let's have a look at, guys. So, DXY, we can see a trade up to that key level. We spoke about this morning. That was our target to hold here, trade up to our key level. And basically look around there. So on the 4 hour, I said we will probably hit this. If anything, have a bit of a zone there to see what happens. Now, as you can see, we had a bit of a pullback, hitting the R2, testing the key level, pullback, hit the key level again, and staying around. The fact we can't get away, most likely can see our DXY breaking and continuing through, as that is what we're doing. So more a bullish DXY for this session. That's what we've been. So we'll see what happens there. Again, this is more for the day, guys, keep in mind. And again, on the day we are quite extended already, so very, very interesting one there. Then over to the indices. Nasdaq had its sell-off that we spoke about. Remember, we sat here before we called the stream there at 11. We said good chance Nasdaq's gonna sell off to go catch and follow up US 30. I'm just not comfortable having it, and it sold off there. So a lot of the guys, some of the Prodigy guys catching it, big ups to them. Those boys are killing it. Literally straight down over there. Now he's at 200 in the S1. We'll see now going into market open for the US if we're going to see this thing either try fight back a little bit, maybe a retest at that EQ daily pivot, and then a continuation sell, or is it the turnaround? We'll have to see over there. With US 30, we are trading a bit more bullish here. We can see this basically traded down, big sell off, and you can see we've actually found a support. So when I say bullish, that's what I'm just meaning, guys. We're starting to see a little bit of a turnaround. We've seen, but we held a little break above and holding there now. So again, do we have a bit of a pullback to this zone over here, see if we hold this rejection, or do we just continue absolutely melting off? And we're looking on the daily. Remember I said to you guys, weekly supply the target, and if that breaks, you're going all the way down for these lows, which remain untested. So that's definitely on the table here for us still. Just a case of how big of a session are we going to have on this Friday? That's the real question. So again, you can see that, for example, very extended as we got here, market started to cool off a little bit. You can see on the time it was the same thing, traded yet till 7 and then started dying off, and that's where we are now. We have the weekly supply. We're going to be trading on probably one more 4-hour candle, and then you into the evening, so going to start slowing down 100%. But on the 15, we can see that, remember guys, Asia highs have been tested out, so we don't need to grab. So this thing can definitely just continue to sell off. But again, I'm not really happy selling it. That was the move. We called it this morning, and unfortunately just didn't take it. We called it over here, literally at the highs that was going to break for Asia lows. The break of Asia lows, we called that you must be in for the sells. I think we were locked in on gold. That's why we didn't take it actually, and it just ran away. We even said their EQ's holding, take the trade, and we didn't take the trade. And it just carried on. So that was one of those we just weren't there today. A beautiful spot analysis, but just didn't execute on it. Then over to gold again, as I said, I'm not happy with the buys. You got DXY flying, and you know me, I trade gold, but I do not like trading it with DXY like this. So personally, not happy trading it. I'm glad we have broken bullish as we actually said we were going to. But again, not really doing anything, so I'm gonna really start flipping, just saying more neutral, but nothing I'm too happy with as of yet. So we're gonna take a neutral outlook on it, and just look at it that way. So on the daily, we are now above this little resistance zone there. If we can hold above that, definitely can continue bullish, and again be one of those days where gold just continues to hurt people as they're gonna keep trying to fade it. So just watch out for that. But again, Asia lows, weekly key level, the 2300 still untested. So again, I don't know what the reason for this hike is. I don't trust it at this point. If there is a reason, there we go. I don't know of one, so I can't really back that. So if it does start breaking, we could see that sell off right back into the range. So just be careful on that one. It is a Friday, so let's try finish the day with some smiles. But over to my boy Jev, what are you looking at, bro?
So very interesting on the day. I can see the DXY trading at the supplies which you marked out this morning, which you said we could see price trade up after this demand zone in place. And with that said, I think we're gonna have a more bullish dollar for the session to end the week off, to continue with that fake move towards the upside. So I would love to see a fake move beginning of the session, trading down to this demand zone and to continuing this trend towards the upside. But alternatively, if price does continue pushing bullish from this level, then most likely what's going to happen is have some sort of reaction at this point, the pullback, and then end the week with some sort of consolidation basically. And then on gold, there's a supply zone which I marked over here, which I said I don't trust because of the... Was it the zone? No, it wasn't, sorry. So this was the extreme zone I did mark out, and as we can see, there was no reaction over here. So I wanted to see price trade up, come back down, retrace, nothing there. Pricing went through the supply zone, flipping into demand. So I expect gold to also trade down for the session into this fair value gap and then pushing up towards the upside. Or alternatively, we'll basically see gold trade up to this level, trade back down, and basically consolidate to end the week. And then on EU, price tapped into this demand zone over here. I can only start looking for buys once we actually cross this level over here, because this is the daily swing high now set into place in correlation with that structure. So initially I want to see EU trade up, respect that level and trade down. Or alternatively, what we'll see is price trade up, have some sort of reaction with a little pullback, price then flipping bullish, breakthrough, retest, and then continue a trend towards the upside. And then on GU, we can also see price broke through that demand zone over here, leaving us with supply and leaving us with a new supply zone over here. But I don't trust that level because this is the flip zone. So initially want to see GU trade up, and then trade into the supply zone and continue dropping. But initially from this current point, there's nothing I can refer back to over here for demand zone. Next demand zone is all the way down here basically, so I'm gonna set it out on GU, and then on USDT also price is in the demand zone, but just the way the pattern is gonna play out is very, very scary. Because if we did something like this, for instance, with a clean move towards the downside, something like this, for instance, with a clear break of structure, fair value gap, then I would have taken it. But now currently that move is, or that zone is all the way up here basically. We should see price cross. So I'll be very honest, I might not have anything on the session. However, on oil, also in that supply zone, you can see price reacting in it. However, if we look at the zone over here, the supply zone which prices now left us with this demand zone over here. So also with that said, we could see oil continue with this trend, pushing into next week with some bullish momentum. And then with USD, what did price do? Price also in that demand zone. So we'll just wait and see what's gonna happen over here. So no clean breaks as yet, but initially also same thing. This is the high now set into place, so I'll need to see price break above that level, retrace before looking for those longs towards the upside. And then on USD Rand, okay, so price broke through that level, and so far nothing for me to refer back to. Yeah, that's it for now.
I love it. You're just like, that's for it now. That's it. Let's see, Chad. You know, honestly, guys, not gonna lie to you, just markets look dead this session, They're not here for the vibes. But what's happening here in the chat, guys? Let's check it out. I'm seeing all the peach armies here. Finally hit TV and EU today on Volt Funder. Now just 1.6 to go before we fund it. Hey, awesome, Evan. Kill it, bro. Volt market all the way. Know it. Well done, Evan. Good afternoon, Chad. Yeah, boys. Aha, positivity. Thanks, people. That is awesome, Evan. Well done, bro. Looking for a short opportunity. If prices don't pull back, then I'm done for the week. Afternoon, Chad. Keys, Jev, what's up? Afternoon, Keys, Jev. Hope let's have this New York session can treat us well. Let's hope. My Chad, yeah, check it out, Chad. Evan, remember, we can't, if you're not a range, you can't share links, bro. The guys won't get it. Good afternoon, G's and Young G's. Hey, Young G's in the building. Afternoon, everyone. Done for the week. Enjoying the vibes as always. Awesome, champ. Kimsley, Chad. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Yeah, we're just honestly waiting, guys. DXY just looking like it's starting to bully the market now. Just honestly looking for these little returns, little trade backs, see what happens. But yeah, some big moves happening here on the markets.
Kimsley, good man, good. How are you?
It is a weekend.
Yeah, there's water miles left here. Is they coming in handy? Yeah. I think that's the first time in chat will hear me say that. Like, yo, this water is very good.
Jeff's feeling the water there, guys.
I made sure before I lay down, I put this in the freezer.
Yeah.
So when I wake up, like it's ice cold.
Oh, it's classy, bro.
Kimsley, so the baby hasn't arrived in the physical form yet, but it feels good. It feels good. I can see myself adapting. Spoke to Chris about it the other day. I can really see my instincts kicking in. For instance, at night when we lay down, while we're sleeping, I can really feel like, for instance, like I'm so conscious that I'm next to Michaela that I'm so scared I knock her tummy or something. But it's a nice feeling. It's a nice feeling. Everyone should become a dad. I'm trying to convince Keegan and Mo to join the party, and Hein and Ed, because my kid needs some friends.
Get him a dog, bro. Dogs are great pets, bro. Like a man's best friend.
Party 42 party. I'm just gonna say that. I'm going back. I've been saying it for a long time now, but it's just my stuff hasn't been working out. My plans, but I'm planning on going back next week. There's only one broker that offers synthetics. That is the Riv. Consumate. What's that one? Quacko Markets. They're a scam. It's a scam. I've put in money there. I flipped the account, and I've never received my withdrawals. It's still pending.
Who's this?
Quacko Markets, a Nigerian company.
I was gonna say I've never. Bro, where do you find these places?
Looking for more synthetic options. So they introduced the Swift Index, Moon and Dump. Traded that, and yeah, I just never received my withdrawals. It's still literally still pending. And eventually, with all that pending, I put it back into the account. Obviously, you guys can imagine what happened there. I full margin the account because I knew I'm not gonna get the money. And yeah, but that guy must not think I forget. Oh, I forgot about it. It's like, for instance, like the guy who scammed me with the parrot. I still check up on him every now and then with different numbers, different names, and it's like, this guy has parrots. He has parrots. He just scammed me. So one day when I go to East London, I'm gonna get like 2-3 cops. I'm gonna tell them, look, I wanna open a case. Come with me. I already paid the guy. I had the proof of payment. I still have it. Transaction hash, everything. So when I go to East London, I'm be like, yo, bro, I want the parrot. Can we meet up? And then he must come, bring me the parrot. I'm gonna take the parrot. I'm gonna leave because I already paid him.
Oh my word. If it's new to the stream, liked and subscribed. Hey, we always love having a new family member here. Charlotte, I'm from East London. Jeff, don't worry. I'm a day of two,
I think
a
you
2-year-old
that.
and 11 months also.
Where you from, Kingsley? Kingsley. So John, oh, you're from East London. If you can DM me on Instagram or on WhatsApp, I can talk to you. I can show you who it is. Maybe you can even get me the parrot and just send it to me.
You still on about this parrot thing, bro?
Bro, I want the parrot to say, buy your USD whenever we walk into the office. That's the only reason why I wanted to get him. Pharaoh the parrot. You know, I was so excited when I got the parrot. I was like, what do I name him? And I asked on Facebook, like, what will I name my parrot? And I got the names, and the person who gave it, I was like, here's a 300 rand for you. I never got the parrot.
I have no words, Chad. I have no words. You know, guys, I have a funny feeling, like, everyone's gonna think that these are gonna hold NASDAQ and US 30, and on the market open, they're gonna either just dump again, and they're just gonna hurt everybody. Everyone's gonna be like, no, they sold off, they're gonna buy now, and then they're gonna get
It can't keep on dropping forever.
They're gonna get, because that's the thing, bro. As much as, for example, let's just say, look at DXY. If DXY, because it's open range now, the new range is up here. So if this thing goes back up there, for example, NASDAQ and then we're gonna have a sore day. I mean, like NASDAQ, that's all it's done. Like that's a normal Nasdaq day. This thing can still sell a lot if it sells, and US study can have a day like that, and it just drop. Everyone's gonna be like, no, but it's been selling. It must turn around, and then they're gonna get clapped.
I will say though, I felt so dumb after the guy did that, but also like the way he scammed me, like he did it good. He did it good because it happened just before COVID. So like when he had to send the parrot, the lockdown thing happened. So then obviously no one was supposed to move and stuff like that, and that's where the almost said something. That's where he got me.
Jeff. And that's what he got me. So what you're saying is full margin sells on market open key. No. I just have a good a feeling, bro. Let's just call it a hunch. Like I say, it can be bullish. It definitely can be bullish. But that's just a reason, for example, like I've seen that happen too many times, that like I won't buy because it's gonna pull back, and then this thing's just gonna smack you for a 6. 100% it can, but I'm just not taking that option.
Bro, I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm not butchering it. Sajan. It's not a watch, bro. It's a parrot. It's a living organism. Into CEO, I'm be using my.
I don't know where you came up with the AP watch.
Yeah, that's one thing, guys. I'm not really into jewelry. I got me a smartwatch. Oh, I don't even know where the thing is now.
Yeah, but a smartwatch is jewelry, bro. That's not.
So yeah, I'm be using Michaela's account to get back with the rev. And I think I also might have discovered a strategy to never lose on news using vault markets. But I'm gonna test it out in the next event and show you guys, and then I will tell you guys how I did it.
For any news event.
Not any news event. Mainly, I think it will be for CPI, PPI, and NFP. So if we could do it 3 times a month, that's good. It's good.
You telling me? Oh, okay, hold on. You telling me you made a technical strategy that's 100% win rate on a fundamental event?
We'll test it and see. Not technical though. It's not even fundamental either. There's no word for it. It's let me put it this way. We'll give the house a piece of the pie, but in reality we take the whole pie.
Oh, you just watching them hedging your account.
Yeah, but with 2 people's names.
Yeah, but they will pick up on it. You think you're the first person that's thought of this?
No, they won't. I'm gonna test it out. And if I do get it right, it's not something also that I'll do all the time. But it'll be interesting to see. I've never tried it.
I can tell you it's not gonna work, bro.
Very excited for the next news event next month.
Hey, I know they're gonna find a way to pick it up, bro. The thing is, remember how many traders are on trade with a broker? Like, do you think you're gonna be the first person that's done one of these things? Like, they're gonna figure it out. Hey, markets open, Chad. Round 10, last one for the week. Fight.
Yeah, nothing's giving us a chance to even get in. Yeah.
DXY still going. So that's interesting. DXY still going. Gold's going down. Yeah, they use IPs and so on. Exactly. I gotta pick it up. Gee, check DXY going, guys. It's not game over yet for DXY. There comes gold. US City's trying to put up a fight. But Nasdaq battling, guys. Nasdaq is battling. There goes gold. I'm gonna come now, Chad. Jabs, put on your screen quickly, bro.
Oh, good. Good.
I see Keegan should have risked man, bro. Did it drop? US studies gone up. Now, well, okay, hold. NAS hasn't done anything yet, but US studies tested. Oh, let me put it on the screen, yeah. US study tested that zone now, so. Oh, US study tested that. NASDAQ is flipping a little bit bullish. And then you got DXY having a little bit. Thing is, doesn't have a bottom wick, so it could still come down a bit. Remember, guys, 15-minute shuffle. We always know this is back and forth here in the beginning. So there we go. Gold still holding. So nothing yet. The only thing is nice, guys, is the indices. Nasdaq and US study, remember, like I said, they have potential to fall a lot still. That's the thing. Why is it frozen? That can be the retest in US study and can come all the way down here still. Nasdaq, yeah, Nasdaq still honestly can come down like quite a bit, guys. When you look at it that way, like on a 4 hour, for example, this thing can come down a lot still. So definitely can be a big move. You could catch it if it comes down. Like, remember, big word there, if it comes down.
I just saw a post now. $7 trillion market. I couldn't make $1 this week.
Sheesh.
Yo. Why I have to put it like that though?
That man. Oh, no, don't click my. Did we take the low? No, we didn't. We held that. Yeah, let's just say, guys, these things can still flip. It's not off the table yet. DXY, gold. Thank you so much. Literally waiting for market open, guys. Why did that hurt my feelings? So Nasdaq, oof. Remember, guys, Nasdaq, I said, can still have the pullback. There's your little bit of pump, maybe hit the EQ pullback. Otherwise, Nasdaq's doing that. Keep in mind, you got, that's what I said, Nasdaq, I don't like taking a sell on. You got Nvidia and Apple there. The powerhouses are, yeah. US 30 still there. Agreed on the Nasdaq shorts. Yeah, so the thing is, guys, it's there. I'm not saying it's not gonna happen, but they just risky. They just risky to take it. That's the only thing. They can literally just take off in one direction. And DXY battling. Hey, London. Monthly salary made again. Thank you, Project G.
Yo, London's been killing it, bro. London's been killing it. Yo. London, are you at Green Acres today? It's Friday. It's long weekend. Hoe maak ons?
Keys, hopefully indices don't run without us. Hey, bro. I'm patiently waiting 19,590 and then for possible rejection. No. 19,590. Basic Asia lows. USD had a mind of its own. What did USD do? Oh yeah. Remember I said, guys, these things they're gonna play games with you now. They're gonna play games. Jeff, where you stay now, brother?
I'm in Gabiga. I stay in Gabiga. All depends on the Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm gonna message you now.
Hello guys, very new here. Joined Project G yesterday. What brokers do you gents use? We obviously there's Vault Bro, so we use Vault. But just chat about it in Project G. We'll chat about it. Christmas Obsession. Are you not Rickers, brother? Are you Rickers by any chance? Oh, are we rejecting off the EQ now? Alright. I am hard. Rickers, please, brother. I know you sent your Discord handle, bro, but I need you to join the normal 2G's Discord. The link is under here. I can't add you to Project G if you're not in the normal free Discord. Please just join the normal free Discord, brother, so I can add you to the Project G Discord. We did send you an email, but I don't know if you've seen it yet. But yeah, please just join the normal Discord, brother, so I can add you. I think USD might do what it did. They take Asia highs and reject from there, but let's see.
Lyndon, do you have a new number, or did you block me? Nah, no, you don't block me, but do you have a new number?
Yo, do you go all the way to Asia highs and reject? Thing is, remember, guys, I said it's iffy if it's FX. It 100% can, but my only thing is over there you have tested and at the retest held and reject, so there's no need to go get Asia highs and then reject from it again, like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, there's not necessarily a need for that trade now, or that movement. Yeah, it is a rejection area for USD. Nasdaq, almost a very similar thing. So yeah, not saying you're wrong, just my opinion on it.
Okay, awesome. Then got it.
Right, 15-minute shuffle coming to an end. What is going to happen, Chad? What's going to happen? DXY still above the key level. Gold holding it. Nasdaq having a slight bit of a pullback. A little bit of a pullback there. US30 also tested with the rejection. Interesting stuff we are seeing here. Yeah, it's all good, man. Just my opinion as well. Yeah, no, bro. 100%. 100%, bro. We've got 30 seconds left till market open, or not market open. 15-minute shuffle has come and gone. So gold holding, Nasdaq holding by the EQ. That's going to be an interesting one. And US30 rejecting there quite bad. Or just say quite bad. So US30 and Nasdaq, the ones I think are. There you go. There's your 15 closes. What are they doing? Are they going for the breaks? Oh, US30 is. They're getting interesting, yeah, guys. The indices are getting interesting. I do think the news today is going to affect the markets. We're going to have to wait and see there, brother. We're going to have to wait and see. A friend of mine shared the stream to me, and I said I should tune in. Hey, we're glad to have you here, broski. There we go. So Nasdaq back in the game. Oh, left Yo, alright. Nasdaq there holding. US 30 still not doing much. Gold also holding it a little bit. Now trading bullish. DXY, if that starts breaking down, there we go. There goes Nasdaq. Nasdaq is just a whole nother beast, guys. Hey, I don't know if it was only 49 likes. Come on, these are the 2Gs we're talking about. Stop playing. Hey, love the. Appreciate it, bro. Keith, do you prefer NAS or US study? Which one would you trade for the rest of your life if you could choose one? US study. US study was like my bread and butter. That's where I started. Like actually, my trading journey was US study. So I got a much more experience and also a much more profitable track record on US study. I wouldn't say I'm bad on NAS, like not at all. But if I had to choose one, US study. And I mean, I can milk the markets on news events with US study. So can't complain about that. Jeff, if you had to choose one pair, what would it be? I know it's hard to choose from like 50 to 1, but like if you had to choose one.
Yeah. Euro USD.
Euro USD.
Or between USD and Nasdaq. I would say Nasdaq. Nasdaq. No, I'm wrong. USD. It's been better to me than Nasdaq. I don't know, guys. When it comes to trading, that's the one place I'm not loyal.
Jeff, at 10k you need to put the vape down. That won't happen, bro.
I was gonna ask now, what's the cape down?
That's the vape. Keys put a JV on the spot there. I could put it on the spot. Guys, it's simple. If you journal, you should know what your most profitable pair is. So that should be an easy one. Knowing he trades everything. Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to say like GU, EU. I would say EU. Oil and gold. I would go for oil.
But we're not choosing between pairs. Yeah, we're choosing like in general everything.
Now I'll stop trading.
So far it's been gold, Linden, yeah, golds you can't go playing with, bro. Nas is shooting that. Did it take off again? That's Nas, bro. That's what I said. The sales, I could do sales in USD, and look there's your sales. But I don't trust the sales on Nasdaq.
And to see, speaking of that, they're actually planning on putting water on the stock market.
It'll be the most stupidest thing if they do that.
Yeah, they announced it. It was a few months ago they announced this. It still hasn't happened. But I always say, like from an investor standpoint, obviously when water comes in, it will be at an all-time low. Now imagine we all start investing into water. We push the price up. How is that going to affect water in real life? So I think that's the one thing.
That's why you can't put a value like that on water.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks man. Didn't see the mail, just joined the Discord. Awesome. Rickers, hold on. I think I remember what your Discord name was. I'm gonna add you right now, brother. That's the thing, I always feel bad, bro, when we battle to get the guys on, because it makes it look like you've paid and we're not, I feel bad. So like I try and make it a mission to get hold of you guys, that I can get you guys on the group, that you're not missing out. But you don't miss out. We haven't had any like calls or anything like that yet. We'll have our prep call on Sunday night, so you haven't missed out on that. See, man. Let's just go here to Telegram. I need to see.
Lyndon, my thoughts on EJ at the moment. So I did a outlook with this let me see, in May more or less, and I started saying that we're gonna start seeing an upside movement to that top wick at 171,500 more or less, but price never got to that level. It's still on the table for me. So long term, I still want to see EJ trade up. There's also unmitigated demand zone on the 4-hour chart at 167.316. So that's a point where we could potentially start seeing a reversal come in. But at the moment, I'll be honest, at the moment the yen pair is something I haven't per se traded in a long time. It's purely based off like the way they've been moving. They've just been too volatile for me.
Christmas obsession, Rikus. You just said your Discord handle there in the chat, bro. Did you join the Discord? Because I do see there's a Rikus now, but it's not a Rikus with the name you sent us. So just confirm that there for me, please, brother. Because the Rikus I want to add you now, your name still doesn't come up. When do you think they will cut rates? Yo, it's hard, bro. It's hard to say. I think obviously everyone's looking at September. September or August. It's Rikus 1. Yeah, that's what I thought so, bro. I'm typing it in here, but nothing. Like, just like I'd already put it on the screen. Yeah. I'm not finding you, bro. That is very, very weird. You're not already added. Yeah, if I just try. Is your profile picture a photo of you though, bro? I don't want to put it on the screen, yeah, and then you're like, oh damn. Or you find out what to put on the screen just to show you, and you can just tell me if that's you or not. Yeah, it's a photo of me. Okay, cool. Then Rikus, I'm gonna add it. Actually, I'm gonna start add it. If it's not you, you just go. You're gonna do this live here, bro. Just at least you'll get one benefit out of the stream, yeah. Okay, Rikus, I did add you now. So just tell me if you go on the Discord and you scroll down, can you see Project G now? Just let me know. I was checking out done for the week. We need to remember Jevon keys are slot machines where you tell them what to do. Be nice for asking them to check a pair. High chances these rate cuts will create trillionaires, 100%, bro. If you catch that first rate cut and you hold, bro, you're gonna make money. NC press conference was a big ball of nothing, and Powell is good at answering questions without giving it. Bro, that man is PR trained to the max. He's like the ultimate boss level. Yeah, I don't mind. Oh, right. Yeah, you can just let me know, Rickus, if you are in the group there now. If you can see Project G. Took TP already. Hey, Jason. We should have a support group. Stop loss support group. Cool. I can see Project G now. Okay, awesome. So that is you. Then I added, bro. Okay, perfect. Perfect, brother. That's all I need to know. Then I'm happy. I can mark off then that you are added. Then I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. No stress, bro. Glad to have you on board. Jeff needs to start trading account insurance for us to blow. Sweet G's, have a great weekend. Very happy Father's Day to all the dads. Yeah, guys, we will definitely not forget about 7-day news, sell or buy. Someone just kick on there for spamming. I'm not going to deal with that, man. I don't have time for that. Brew gold just to make my accounts empty like all my blown accounts from all the trading gold. But since I started seeing how Keys traders started figuring out the structure, man. Yeah, guys. As I said, you know what? Sometimes I know my trade is not for everyone. But I'm profitable in it, bro. So if I can get other guys to at least start being profitable in, even if that means you just profitable in like gold, the pair that I really trade, hey, it's a win for me. US 30, bro. That's what we said. So US 30. Remember, I still want to look at this bearish moves. Yeah, Nasdaq just that's another ball game. But US 30, we can look at the bearish moves. Honestly, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think there's anything on the cards right now, but we'll just chill till 4 o'clock, see what this news comes out as, and then take it from there. I think Jev's not even like looking anymore.
No, this is so choppy. Everything is like nothing.
Everything is nothing.
If I must do this now, if I must take a trade now and I get trapped, then Michaela can't get take out tomorrow. I'll say no, babe. Percentages.
That was so. I'm trapped. No takeouts for you.
Yeah, I'm trapped. We both trapped.
If you think that's choppy, you should look at the 1 second chart. Yo. I can just imagine what that would look like, bro.
Yeah.
Actually, I must admit the G's made me so confident in gold now, brother. It's the only pair I've been trading like it's all I speak. It's all I speak about is gold. My wife is gonna hit me. So, Lyndon, bro, I promise you, my missus will tell you the exact same thing. So we in the boat together, bro.
I love it also when I talk to Michaela, like let's say I had like a good day. I tell her like, yo babe, like there was demand zone, but I swept, like I entered in the fair value gap. It ran, it hit TP and so forth. She always look at me like, that's great, babe.
Yeah. Last NFP, Jeff ate the red Viennas for dinner. Alright guys, 5 seconds to see if this news does anything to the markets. Nasdaq, a little bit bearish move. US 30, keep in mind none of them have top wicks. Just keep that in mind, none of them have top wicks. What did it come out as? 65.6. Ooh. Ooh. But again, I wouldn't even say it's anything tradable, guys. Like,
right now,
it might give you 15, 20 minutes of a move, and then just start turning around. It's not anything that's gonna hold the markets to anything. Yeah, DXY didn't even do anything, bro. I'm telling you now, all these moves, none of them are top wicks. And they're not major news events, so watch out for it. You can see already DXY's flipped on its candle a few times. Gold's done the same thing. So indices, be careful, guys. If you did take it and you're in profits, don't get greedy because this thing can flip.
The market is now open for donations. Don't donate on the Friday. Donate to yourself. Please have withdrawal.
DXY didn't give a shit. Nah, it didn't. It definitely didn't.
So, Keeks, did you watch The Boys last night?
Mm-mm.
Not yet. Okay. I won't spoil it. I want to hear your opinion after you watch episode 2.
Bro, I promise you, Chris and I keep joking about the CEO life, bro, but I'm freaking exhausted, eh? Yes. The last few weeks, bro, been grinding. Literally, you
It's
can
good.
ask. I don't know if I did the chat or the boys. You can ask the guys, bro. I haven't gamed this whole week. Chris is gaming more than I am, bro. Every night, Chris, Dota 2. Bro, I get on and I'm like doing this, doing that, and I'm like, okay, let's game. And
Chris
I'm
is so
sit there
happy
and
the
I'm
other
like,
day when you bought those headphones. You guys left. It was me, him, and Shaquille in the office. So he grabs the box and he's like, he stands like this and he holds it and he goes, "This is the best investment I've made in the last year." He was so happy, man. Shame. But it's good. It's good. We have to put in the work. After you grind and you play those games, you can be like, "It's worth it."
yeah.
So funny story, ne? Yesterday, I was like, let me try downloading X-Defiant. So I downloaded it, 30 gigs. I want to load the game on my laptop. That's a low laptop. Hey, that game opened.
Hey, yeah. I think that something is going on that they haven't said anything about because, I mean, damn. DXY flying up and gold flying up. Yeah, Peter, I'm not trading. Like I said, I don't trust it. Nasdaq is just gonna kill people. Did it turn around? Because there's a bit of a topic now. Hey, did it turn around, guys? At some stage. USD hasn't. Chris playing Dota from 9 p.m. till 11 p.m. last night. Yo, he's been grinding, bro. Sashi, thank you, brother. The session was chilled, so no Shawnee fighters in the chat. No, there aren't. Yeah, guys, I think we'll give it to like 10 past. We can call it. Honestly, not going to take anything now. There USD comes. There's the USD sell-off. So, as I said, maybe it does go, guys. But Taylor Smith, gold entry. One thing, if anything, break below 23, 26, you can take a sell. That's the best thing I can give for you, Taylor. Under 23, 26, you can take a sell. That's the best I can do for you. But yeah, market's just not there today, Chad. I'm not gonna force anything. I mean, had a killer week, great week. I said to the guys today, I'm feeling cute. I feel like starting a new funded challenge. So maybe Monday I'll start that. I wanted to do it today and I was like, whoa, bro, started funded challenge on Friday. That's so yeah, I'm still deciding. Maybe we'll do 100k, 200k account. We'll see. But yeah, start that off. I want to really, before even you guys ask me about it, I want to purely use the account as swing trading. I want to really start almost using it as, I say, a live, like I have my live testing on that little news strat. I want to have a live account and like a account, like a real account, and test that with my forward testing swing trading. So like one trade, for example, can be a big trade, but it takes the week to play out, for example. So you put 2% on a trade, let it just hit like a 1 to 2 on the whole week. I mean, you're still up 4% a week. So that's going to be the idea behind that. But we'll see what happens with that. I'll let you guys know when I do start that. Much love, brother Lyndon. You have a solid weekend there, but Volt market is 50 G's keys, baby. That e-commerce said after CPI. Yeah, that was a good one, bro. I just also say it was bleak, bro. That it should have been over 100k a day. But CPI screwed me. CPI I couldn't get in there. That if I got it on CPI, 100% would have been 100k a day. So a lot of guys also keep this in mind, guys. If you saw the player cards that came out, when I started making money, like my 98k and those things, it was. I was in that young phase of getting like really good at my trading, and I was pushing the limits. And since then, it was a case of realizing what compounding is and being not greedy and actually look at the long term, how you can become profitable.
Would you also say after that happened, you became more responsible?
More responsible. So the thing is, I never didn't push the limits, for example, because there's no need to. Like if I'm making, for example, 50k a day, why must I try swing for the fences and make 100, 200k? Like I can make 50k, and then this and this and this and carry on. So keep in mind that's like a one trade type of thing. So that's for me was the thing. It's not like a payout. It's a one trade payout. But yeah, I think for now, for example, just for Gears, obviously I'll start breaking that limit, just to start pushing past it. There was never a need to, but you always got to push yourself to grow. So we're gonna start pushing those payouts now. Start pushing the big numbers for you guys. Same way we try to push you guys to be better, you guys are gonna push us to start leveling up again. So big things coming. I promise you, we have a lot planned for the new office. Very exciting things. So you guys definitely don't want to miss out for it. For the PE guys, it looks like if you guys saw my story we did on the malls, or Warmer Park was the selected one. So keep an eye out. We might be doing something very shortly. It's not this weekend. As far as Father's Day, it's a long weekend. We're not doing anything this weekend, but you never know when something might pop up. So we'll just keep an eye on that one, guys. Keep an eye on the socials. But yeah, hey guys, kindly wanted to ask, after the first withdrawal with Vault Fund, does it still take 30 days with other withdrawals? It should be bi-monthly. Also trying out the swing thing. Yeah, there you go. It's a lot easier, guys. Swing trading is a lot easier to predict. I mean, even I'm not taking away from Mo, but since Mo's even got higher time frames, way more profitable. It's much easier to call a long-term trade, but you gotta understand it's not that daily withdrawals type of thing. Thank you, Slash Brother. May you have a blessed weekend. But I think pretty much that's gonna be it. Jeff, is there anything you want to just break down that you might look at, or just
to be honest, no, I'm not gonna take anything further this week. Purely based off how the market's moving, it's really slow right now. If we had moves like a curve between 3 and 4, then at least would have said maybe around 4 to 5, 5:30, I can look for something. But I'm purely gonna wait for the week to end. Like we are at the zone, so like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if DXY literally ends the week in consolidation from this level. EU, GU, gold, Nasdaq, USD, and so forth. So no need to force it. I don't want to disappoint myself on a Friday afternoon.
Yeah, Mr. Alter Bielsa, brother, if you're still trying to question if we are legit, you know what? I don't have words. You can literally go, there's been podcasts, there's been everything. There's how many guys that have got payouts. We actually have a massive payout coming very soon. And the thing is, not still till today, they've got bigger and bigger and bigger. We've got international payouts, and not one's been declined. So if you're still trying to convince yourself if we legit or not, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I've had guys, and that's the thing, you guys don't understand. We've signed some, I wouldn't say signed, but we've got some big boys that have come on over to Vault Funder, and they've had no complaints. And these are international clients, guys that have got massive followings. So if you know who we are, you'd be seeing a lot of our stuff on their pages even, which has really been blowing Vault Funder up. So, but again, if you still think we're not legit, bro, I don't know what it's going to take to
my mentor always said, shit, now I forgot what he said. But basically, the whole idea is behind it. We don't need to persuade you to show you that we are legit. People pay for what they believe is valuable to them based off what they experience.
Yeah. there's some big payouts. That's what I say. You guys are. I'm talking payouts that prop firms that have been around for way longer in the game, who've been shut down at least because they couldn't make those type of payouts. And we have been and are going to keep pushing it and have a bigger payout like that. So again, we have really blown, especially even on the international circuit now. So that's all I'm going to say. Keith, Jevy, have a fantastic weekend, my gents. See you guys on Tuesday again. Chad, stay safe. It's weekend. Look after yourselves. Again, too legit to quit. Lol, if you don't trust it, then don't join, bro. Watch everyone else eat. There we go. Gold is selling. If we're closing at 20 to 26 hours, you can take note of that number. That's all I'm going to say. Mine a Lambo, key of payouts. Appreciate the confirmation anytime, bro. But yo, guys, it is the weekend. We had a good week. 3 wins, 2 losses. Except that we always talk about it. The wins completely outweighed the losses. If you're talking percentage, we're sitting at about 8-9% for the week, with a 2% down. So I mean, you're still sitting 6.5% up. So no complaints there for a week. That is, I'm happy with that. Again, even the Project G guys should even be more up, because again, big shout out to the Project G guys. You guys are insane. They have more faith than we have in ourselves. And we talk about something and I'm like, I missed it, I didn't take it. And these are sending me screenshots like, bro, we eating. And I'm like, oh shit. So the Project G guys are they be killing it. They even way up. We already second week of Project G, and we've got guys passing their accounts. So it has been insane. So again, the results speak for itself. We have been told the website should be up tonight. We've been told that. We've been working the whole day back and forth with our hosts, trying to get the problem sorted, but it should be live tonight. So again, it should be up. Keys, if you take anything Monday, will Project G guys get told? Yes, bro. So yes, we're not streaming, but I will still look at the charts. If I see anything potentially, obviously I'm going to take it, but the Project G guys, you get all access to that. So yes, brother, if I'm looking at anything, because I'll be at home chilling, I'll already tell you guys ahead of the time what I'm looking at for the day, and then if I am going to take it, you guys will be the first people to know. But yeah, thanks again, guys. It has been a great week. Thanks for all the support. The community is growing faster and faster by the day. VF down below if you guys want to go check out some accounts. Again, Project G, if you guys want to sign up, never too late. Start your journey with us. And we're going to see you guys on the flip side. Enjoy the long weekend. To all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day for Sunday. And we are going to be seeing you guys on Tuesday. Remember, no stream on Monday. So peace and love, baby. Love you all, Chad. Be kind, stay safe. Tell somebody you love them. And we're going to see you on the flip side.
Check it, Chad.
Cheers.
apparition, sight unseen, shapeshifter, looking like me, rash impulse, feel my pulse, resistor, like a defect in the system. I must be dreaming, I must be dreaming, I'm fading in real time. I'm fading, I must be dreaming, I must be dreaming, I'm fading in real time. Erratic, so savage, take control. Am I being too dramatic? Rash impulse,